Happy morning to you, my dear students. How are you all? Yes, now after your first periodical assessment, I hope you all are relaxed and enjoying playing with your toys. Yes, but at the same time, we have something more to learn also. So what we are going to learn today? Yes, I am going to give you a situation. Suppose you are playing with your toy car and the wheel comes out. आप अपने गाड़ी से खेल रहे हो toy car से and the wheel comes out. What you will do? You will throw away that part. आपका toy wheel के बिना चलेगा? Yes or no? Think, children. Yes. So think over it. Will you look for that missing part? Will you take care of that part? Will you go to Papa and tell Papa, fix this wheel for me? ये wheel लगा दो मेरे गाड़ी के लिए, बोलोगे? Yes, today we are going to learn about look for the missing parts. अगर कोई parts टूट गया, निकल गया, क्या हम उसे जाने देंगे या उसको कैसे वापस लगाना है सोचेंगे? और क्यों ज़रूरी है? Why it is important to have that missing part? We will study today. Okay, look for the missing parts. So, can a car move without a wheel? क्या आपकी टॉय कार व्हील के बिना चल सकती है? No. Can a shoe be used without a lace? क्या आप शू पहनते हो लेस के बिना? हाँ, पहन तो लेते हैं. But when we walk, what happen? Shoe will come out. You will not be comfortable walking. मज़ा नहीं आएगा दौड़ने में और चलने में. शू निकलता रहेगा. Yes? Can you do your work without your hands? If you keep your hands at the back, can you do all your work? Can you play with your toy without your hands? No. Every part is important. कितना भी छोटा हो, आपका एक छोटा थंब भी हो, if it is missing, if you say I will not use my thumb, सिर्फ फिंगर से can you take your toy and play? No. Every part, whether big or small, is important. Yes? So you will always look for that missing part. So remember, children, each and every part, whether it is even a hair on your head or your eyes or your nails also, children, or even the hair, eyelid, yes, every part, even however small it is, each and every part has its importance. अगर वो नहीं रहेगा तो वो जिस पार्ट से अलग हुआ उस पार्ट कमज़ोर पड़ जाएगा. Okay, children? So we are going to see a video and you will look for the missing part. Okay, students. So here I have 4 pictures of animals. You will look for the missing part. So here is the cat. What is missing in the cat? Look and keep it in your mind. Cat is there, it got eyes, it got legs. Something is missing. Keep it in your mind. Look at this elephant. Yes, something is missing. Ears are there, eyes, then legs are there, tail is there. Something is missing. Look for that missing part. What about this horse? Yes, tail, eyes, mouth, ears. 1, 2, 3 legs. Something is missing. Yes, have a look carefully. And what about this buffalo? Yes, it got ears. It got 4 legs, tail. But something is missing. Yes, let's look at each one carefully and find out what is missing. So look for the missing parts. So first one, let's see which animal. See, one part is missing in each one of them. What is missing here? Trunk. What was missing? Trunk was missing. Here, car, the wheel is missing. Next, here, what is missing? Tail. Now it has got the tail. And here, what is missing? The horns are missing. Yes, children. And shoe, the lace is missing. So every part, children. And what about this horse? Yes, the fourth leg. I will show you once again for the horse. Yes. Okay, horse, 3 legs, and this is the 4th leg. So children, here you have seen the video. So children, just now you will saw the video and realize that for every being, for every living or non-living, if any part is missing, it loses its value. So we should care for each and every part of a thing. Okay, so next time when your sharpener, eraser or a small pencil falls down, will you just ignore it? No, pick it up. It has its value whether it is big or small. Everything is important. Now let's do the worksheet. So in the worksheet, you are going to again see, look and realize the importance of each and every missing part. Look at the given picture. One part is missing. You will draw the missing part and you will use this help box and write the name of the missing part. So first picture, what do you see there? Elephant. And we already did that something is missing. And what is missing over there, children? So you will have to draw it. The trunk was missing. So you will draw the trunk. Okay. And you will write the spelling here, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, correctly. That's how you have to do. Here what is missing? Very interesting, no? What is missing? Just one wheel is missing. But is it important? Yes. Without that one wheel, that car cannot work. That one wheel also is very, very important. So let us fix that one missing part here. Yes. And now the car will run smoothly because the wheel is there. So what was missing? Wheel. W-H-E-E-L. That is how you will do your worksheet. Next one. Now here what was missing? Horn. Is it important? Yes, because without that horn, it cannot protect itself from the other animal who is coming to attack. कोई उसको मारने आता है ना, तो वो अपना horn दिखा के उसको डरा देता है. तो बहुत important है defense के लिए. So let's draw that horn for this animal. Yes, one horn and another horn. And let's write it here, H-O-R-N, horn. And for this pussycat, yes, it needs its tail. So write here tail, T-A-I-L. And this one you will do on your own. 1, 2, 3 leg. So what about the next leg? Let's draw the next leg for the animal. Yes, so 4 legs. And you will write your leg. So do it and enjoy your worksheet. But remember, each and every part has its own importance. इसलिए सब चीज़ आप बहुत संभालोगे. टॉय हो, आप अपने आप को, books also, everything, because every part is important. Happy learning, children. God bless you all.